Hi, my name is Mark. I'm the builder of the Traicee Transaction Coordinator System. I built this product out of a real need I've experienced in my own brokerage, and I think these tools will help you get more done in less time too. First of all, let me show you how to create a new file in Traicee. Once you've finished onboarding, you'll see this tile in your dashboard. If your documents are ready, go ahead and give the file a name. This name follows the transaction all the way through, so choose it carefully. Next, you can choose a color. If you skip this step, don't worry, Traicee will choose one for you. Now you're ready to drop in one document or all of them, right here. As soon as you do, Traicee starts reviewing and categorizing them. This only takes a few seconds. When the next window opens, you'll see a list of every document you've dropped in. Each row gives you a couple of options. Right here is a preview button where you can see what you're actually working with. To the right, you can choose whether to fully extract or just summarize each document. My general rule is I extract anything signed by both parties. For everything else, disclosures, HOA docs, title reports, a summary gives me all the information that I need. Once you've made your selection, click Process. Now Traicee gets to work. She reads every document and pulls out all the information she needs to build your deadlines, tasks, and participants. A full extraction usually takes about 90 seconds. Summary is just a few seconds. Traicee processes 3 documents at a time, so if you upload more than that, it will take a little bit longer. When Traicee is done, you'll see a window confirming a successful upload. Click Get Started and you're in the File Manager where every document is now ready to view. In the next video, I'll show you how to activate the transaction and watch Traicee build out your deadlines, tasks, and participants automatically.